And what did you make of the batting performance?
I think we were quite below par, because we all knew that, Dew will come in the second half. And we were in a position to exploit the middle over. So I just felt that, Bumrah being one of the best slog death bowler in the world right now, I felt once they actually started their death bowling slightly early, that was the time, we should have capitalized and, started our slog slightly early. And after that, if Bumrah also goes for a run, it's a plus point. So I feel there are a few overs over there, where we could have got slightly more runs because the fast bowlers in the middle, they started their death bowling and they took the same field. So that was the time maybe we could have capitalized and got a few more runs because we needed those runs. 175 with the Dew around, it's not really a pass score.
Debut for Ayush Matre tonight. What did you make of that?
Sorry?
A debut for Ayush Matre tonight. What did you make of that?
I think as a youngster, he batted really well. And, that's the kind of approach that is needed where, you play your shots, but at the same time, you pick the shots that's your strength. So I feel right from the start, he went and he just wanted to play his shot. We also haven't seen him much, so it's a good sign for us, top of the order. If you can keep playing the shots, it becomes slightly easy for the middle and the lower order.
So the Dew just negate the spinners a little bit, it just slide on a bit too much compared to the first innings or not?
I think slightly, in the sense still odd ball was gripping, but also they played the spinners very well. For us, what was most important was the first 6 overs, so we never really had pass score, and then if you give away too many in the first 6, it becomes slightly easy. And Surya is a brilliant player of spin bowling, and yes, with the Dew it was doing slightly less, but it wasn't like just coming on nicely.
This is not a situation Chennai find themselves in very often, MS. They've been so successful over so many years. What do you do now when you basically have to win every game moving forward? What do you say to the lads?
I think, what we need to realize is we are successful because we play good cricket. And at the same time, if you're not playing good cricket, what is important is not to get too emotional about it. But at the same time, you want to be practical, So there have been instances, one of the season, I think 2020, which was not great for us. But, we need to see whether we are playing the right form of cricket, whether we are applying ourselves, trying to put the amount of runs on the board. That's what is needed for the bowlers to save. So those are the question marks that we have got. A few catches that will help. But other than that, we are just trying to plug in the holes. But, with all the games in front of us that we are supposed to win, we'll just take it one game at a time. And, if we lose a few, what will be